In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Gumloop to my Google Sheet. By the end, you'll have your sheet connected and ready to power a workflow in Gumloop. Start by opening Google Sheets and loading the sheet you want to use. Make sure it isn't empty. At a minimum, include a header row with clear column names like name, email, or status, and add at least one sample row of data. This helps Gumloop detect your columns correctly. Avoid merge cells in the header and keep your first row strictly for column titles for the cleanest import. With the sheet open, copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. That link identifies the exact spreadsheet and often the active tab, so it's the one Gumloop needs. Keep it handy on your clipboard. Next, head over to Gumloop. From the main dashboard, go to Workflows. This is where you build automations that read from or write to your Google Sheet. Click Create Workflow to start a fresh one. You'll land in a new workflow canvas where Gumloop will prompt you to connect inputs. Now jump back to your Google Sheet just to double check you have the correct link. If you switch tabs or sheets, click the tab you intend to use so the URL matches that sheet, then copy the URL again from the address bar to be safe. Return to Gumloop and paste that Google Sheet link into the box that asks for your sheet URL. Depending on your view, this field may be labeled something like Connect Google Sheet or sheet URL. After you paste, Gumloop will read your sheet structure. If your headers are clear and the sheet isn't empty, you should see your columns appear as selectable fields a moment later. From here, you can choose how you want to continue. You can build your workflow step by step, adding actions that use your sheet's columns as inputs or outputs. You can start with a trigger, like running when new rows are added or when a value changes, which is great for event-driven automations. Or you can start with an integration, selecting a tool you want to connect alongside your sheet. So Gumloop sets up a starter path for you. Pick the approach that matches your goal. All three lead to the same connected result. That's it. You opened your sheet, ensured it had headers and data, copied the URL, created a workflow in Gumloop, pasted the link, and chose how to proceed. Once you see your columns recognized in Gumloop, you're successfully linked and ready to build.